Hello friends, welcome to lesson 5 of vocabulary series, and in today's video I will be talking about 10 vocabulary words. These vocabulary words can help you score good in your writing and speaking. Okay, so let's have a look towards the first word. First word of today is repercussions. So repercussions means effects or consequences. So don't say effects whenever you want to talk about positive effects, negative effects or whatever. So don't use this word effects again. You can use repercussions or consequences. For example, increased global warming has put devastating repercussions on the environment. So devastating means damaging, harmful, detrimental, okay, catastrophic. So devastating is for negative, repercussions is for effect. So don't say put negative effect, you can say put devastating repercussions. So these words show that you have a good skills or your lexical resources are vast enough to give good bands. The next is cognizance. Cognizance means awareness or understanding. So if you have an awareness related to something, if you have an understanding related to something, so that means you have cognizance. So cognizance is an advanced word. People should have cognizance about the current affairs. So people should have awareness about current affairs. So don't say awareness, you can use this word cognizance. The next we have undesirable. Undesirable, something that you don't want to have, or unwanted or uninvited. So when you say bad effect or something like you don't want might be, so you can use this word undesirable. For example, the drugs impose undesirable effects on the health of youngsters. So don't say put negative effect or put bad effect. Bad is a very basic word, basically is a word of two bad. So don't use bad, you can use undesirable, and instead of put it is impose. Next we have is extravagant. Extravagant is spendthrift or profligate, someone who spent a lot of money without even having a second thought. So spending recklessly, spending uselessly without thinking is extravagant. For example, contemporary people have become extravagant to live a luxurious life. So contemporary people means the people of the modern society. So modern people, they have become extravagant, means they have become spendthrift. They don't hesitate to spend a lot of money to live a luxurious life. Next we have is conspicuous. Conspicuous means visible or noticeable, something which is quite apparent, which is quite in front or quite clear is conspicuous, because visible is again something similar to the simple one. So you can use conspicuous. For example, the most conspicuous reason for the increasing crime rate is unemployment. So most conspicuous is most important or something which is quite evident, visible or something in front, noticeable is conspicuous. Okay, so now have a look towards other vocabulary words. So the sixth word is expedient. Expedient means convenient or practical. So whenever you want to say it is very convenient, it is suitable, it is practical, so you can say expedient. For example, the management has taken a series of expedient measures. Expedient means convenient measures to improve the company's financial situation. So appropriate or convenient measures were taken to improve company's financial situation. The next is castigate. Castigate means criticize or strongly oppose someone. So whenever you want to oppose someone, so strongly oppose means castigate or criticize or admonish. For example, he was castigated for not making righteous decisions. So he was castigated means he was criticized. So he was criticized for not making righteous decisions. Righteous means the decisions that were morally acceptable. So whatever the decisions he might have made immoral decisions. Next we have is dwell. Dwell is live or reside. For example, I have got better things to do than dwell on the past. It means just thinking about the past, just like going deep into it, I just have some other things to do. Next is flourish. Flourish means grow or prosper. For example, wild animals flourish on the banks of the lake. Banks means on the edges, on the borders of that. The last is sophisticated. Sophisticated means advanced, enlightened or knowledgeable. So that can very well be used for people, for society, for technology. So the technology in fact have become sophisticated, means advanced. People are sophisticated, society is sophisticated, the world is sophisticated these days. For example, he was accustomed. Accustomed means habitual. So instead of habitual, you can use this word accustomed. So he was accustomed, he was habitual to being around sophisticated people. Sophisticated people means knowledgeable people. Okay. So I hope that this vocabulary you have learnt nicely, and now it is up to you. You have to make sentences out of using these vocabulary words, and you can write down those sentences in the comment section. I'll definitely spare some time to check those sentences and discuss with you whether these are the appropriate usage or not. Or in this way only you can start learning the words and using it up. Okay, and if you like this video, you can share it with your friends so they can also learn the words and discuss with you. So keep learning with me. All the best.